Hey, if you're having any issues with your Rowa TV remote control and you need to find the power button, let me show you where it's at. Now with these flat panels, it's often difficult to see where the button is, but yes, most of them do have buttons, although there are some models that don't. Now with this button, the power button, it's usually right here under the logo, and then you'll feel a button underneath right there. Go ahead and click that. Now this button also allows input and sourcing. So then you can, if you hold it down, then you can go and change the volume or input if you have like something else connected to your TV. But let's go ahead and check it out. So all you have to do is hold it and then there will be a flash. Okay, now it will turn on. Now, there's also sometimes a button on the right side or on the left side, and even on the side. Check on the right or on the left side, depending on what year model you have. But if you do hold it down, and then it will give you a menu that will pop up. That menu, hold on, let me get you that menu right there. So then this is in Chinese right now. But then, I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of dark, but then there's some options. And then I actually just turned it off again. But anyhow, this is where the power button is. So yeah, hope it works out for you. Please like, subscribe, or comment. Bye-bye.